This 5-minute solution will show you how to check liked post on Instagram. You can easily find those photos you liked on your Instagram. Follow these quick steps. First of all, open your Insta profile. Tap on this three-line icon at the top right. Your activity, likes. Here you will get the list of your liked post. And now you can select any of them and you can unlike from here. So this is how we can check liked post on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.